Okay, let's see if you guys can handle this problem here. So I've got a picture of myself here. So this the actual size of the picture is 5, let's say, inches, and the height here is 9 inches. Now the frame, this here is the frame. Okay, this here is the whole frame here. Now the area of the frame is the same area as the actual picture. So the actual picture is this purple area here. Okay, the frame. So the frame is the area around here. Okay, the area of the picture is this area here. Okay, now the width of the frame here is x. Okay, this length here is x. This here is also x. Now I want you to find out the value of x where the area of the frame is the same as the area of the actual picture here. Okay, so somehow work out x where the area of the picture is the same as the area of the frame. So think about this. Press pause and have a go. Okay, so there are lots of ways of doing this. Maybe you can split this up like this. So come up with a term for the area of this thing here. So this height here is x, and this here would be it would be this plus x here plus x here. So this whole length here is 5 plus 2x. Okay, and you've got to work this out first, and then you times x, and then maybe you can split this up here. So this, then you've got to add it to this here, and then you've got to add it to this and this. So that will give you the area of the frame. But I'm just going to do it like this. So there are lots of ways of doing this. For me to work out the area of the frame, I'm just going to get this whole length here, which I know is the whole length here I know is 5 plus 2x, and then I'm just going to get this whole length here. So basically I'm going to get this length times this length, and then take away this area here. Well, the area here would be 5 times 9. Okay, so let me put this down here. So let's look at the picture, the area of the picture itself. Well, the area of the picture would be 5 times 9, so that would be 45. So I know the area of the picture is 45. Now let's look at the area of the frame. The area, there are lots of ways of working out the area of the frame. So but I'm just going to get this length here, which is 5 plus 2x. Okay, and then I'm going to times it with this whole length here, which is 9 plus 2x, which is 9 plus 2x. Okay, and then I'm going to take away. Remember, the area of the frame would be the area of the big rectangle. Take away the area of the picture. The area of the picture I know is 45. Okay, so basically we are trying to find out x where this side, where this whole side here equals this side here. Okay, so let's add. There are lots of ways of doing this. Let's add 45 to both sides. So this becomes this. Okay, and then this will become this. 5 plus 2x. Close this off. And then this will be 9 plus 2x. Now it's just trying to multiply out this. So it's so 90. Hang on, 90 equals 5 times this here, which will be 45. Okay, and then 5 times this here, which will be plus 10x, and then this times this here, which would be 18x plus 18x, and then this times this here would be plus what? Plus 4x squared. Okay, now it's just tidying up now. So this would be well, I'm going to do I'm going to put this first because it's what we're used to. It's not that important. So it would be 4x squared first, and then I'm going to merge the two x's. Well, I'm going to merge this and this together. That will give us 28x. So plus 28x, and then plus 45 here, and then on this side is 90. So it's a matter of well, it's a matter of solving x now. So now let's well, we're used to seeing 0 equals something. So let's just take away 90 from both sides. So this will become this. So remember, we're taking away 90 from both sides. So this will become this, and then say, so this will be minus 45. Okay. So quickly sketch a graph, just to give us a rough idea of what's going on. We basically want to solve this now. So oh, actually, before we plot the graph, let's divide both sides by 4. So so this will become this, and this will become, divide everything by 4. So this will become this, plus 28 divided by 4 is 7. So that becomes 7x, and then 45 over 4. So rather than solving this, let's just solve this. It's slightly easier. So this is when x is small, it wants to do a straight line here. Okay, so the intercept is minus 45 over 4, and the gradient's at 7, so it's quite steep. Okay, and then when it's big, it wants to do the x squared. So we're going to guess it to be something like this. Okay, so we've got two solutions. It turns out that a minor solution is meaningless in our scenario. This here would give us this here would give us our x. So this here has a meaning. This here in our situation is meaningless. So we are interested in the positive solution. So so now let's complete the square here. So hang on. So 0 here equals, now it would be x, and then I'm going to need half of this. So it will be plus 7 over 2, and then square it, and then immediately take away the rubbish, which is 49 over 4, and then this here will be 45 over 4. Okay, and then hang on, and then do this here. So this would be x plus 7 over 2 squared, minus 49, and then minus this thing here would be 1894. Okay, so it would be minus 994 over 4. Okay, let's see if we can simplify this. 94. Well, we know both even, so we can divide top and bottom by 2. Okay, so this would be hang on, this would be 45 plus 2, so that would be 47. So this would become 47 over 2. Okay, so let's just leave it as a fraction. So well here we're just simplifying it. Okay, so this would be this minus 47 over 2 is neater than this. Okay, but in effect they're both the same. So now add this block to both sides. Okay, so at the moment this is 0, this is 0. So add this block to both sides. So this will become this 47 over 2 equals x plus 7 over 2 squared, and then what? And then square root both sides. So that will give us two solutions. Okay, so that would be plus or minus this x plus 7 over 2, and then what? And then take away this from both sides. Okay, so x equals 7 over 2, sorry, minus 7 over 2. Okay, and then plus minus root 47 over 2. That will give us x. Remember here, this here is meaningless, so we are only interested in the positive side. So meaning that we are we are only interested in this one. We don't care about this one here. Okay, so let's turn this into a decimal here. So calculator, hang on, calculator. So it's going to, well, let me quickly do the square root thing. So 47 divided by 2 equals this, and then square root it. That would give us that. Okay, let's put it in memory store. Okay, cancel. Okay, so now let's do the 7 over 2. So minus 7 divided by 2 equals equals that. Yep, and then plus our memory this here equals this. So the answer is 1.35. So x here equals 1. Is that right? 1.35. Yeah, 1.35. So going back to our original situation here, this here must be this distance here must be 1.35 because we're working in inches. Then this must be inches. Okay, so this here is 1.35 inches. Okay.